Oh gosh. Hi, I'm Henny Green and I'm Wealth Officer at the Guild of Students.
Hello, I'm Holly Campbell, I'm the Women's Officer at the Guild of Students.
And we're here today to talk to you about STIs, STDs, so sexually transmitted infections, and basically a little bit about them, and that we're also starting to do monthly drop-ins with Umbrella Sexual Health. Open these first.
So we're going to open these up and show you what's inside.
This came early.
Yeah. For anyone who's not taken an STI test before, or maybe you've only taken one at a clinic, so you don't really know what a self-sampling test entails, it comes in this little cardboard box. Kind of looks like a Graze box.
It does,
like,
yeah.
You know where you get those snack foods in? It's not snack
It's also, I don't know if you can see, it's got an expiry date. Can't probably see that. So if you are, make sure you always take it within the expiry date, because then it might not actually have your results.
Yeah, that's a good point.
It's difficult to open.
The first barrier. Oh, I opened it the wrong way, that's why. Okay. So it's a little bit overwhelming when you first open it because there's a lot of stuff in here, but we're just going to sort through it slowly.
Just going to lay them all out. All the things.
I'm just going to say, make sure you order the right STI kit online, because I've unfortunately ordered one for someone with a penis. I don't have a penis, but that's
Fortunately,
okay.
I ordered a female one, so
yeah,
we're all good.
That's okay, because we can show you what the STI test entails for people with vaginas and people with penises. So it's probably a good thing, all in all.
But it's meant to happen.
It was meant to be, yeah. It's not just my silly mistake. So Henny's starting off with the female STI testing kit, and it comes with an oral swab. So it's like a long. I'll show you now. How would you describe it? Like a
massive cotton bud.
Yeah, like a massive cotton bud, and you just swab the back of your throat, and that's to detect any oral infections that you might have gotten from oral sex.
Ooh, right.
Okay.
So
I'll help you.
Gonna do the oral swab. So you just have to move it around your mouth,
Especially at the back of the throat as well. And you have to do it for a few seconds to make sure you have like a good enough sample. No, you're ready.
Definitely got a lot of bacteria on that.
Cool. And then you pop it into the.
You snap it though. First.
Yeah, you put it in. Yeah, put it in.
I've mucked up.
And then snap it off. Then screw
And
the
just
top
have
on.
just a space.
And then you have to fill in your details on the tube. So that's your name and the date of the sample. It's normally not this funny taking an STI test. We just keep making each other laugh, but it's fine. I'm going to talk about the male STI kit now. So you don't have to do an oral swab. It doesn't give you an oral swab, but you do have to take a urine sample. So what you would do, I'm not going to do it, but you would pee into this cup, and then you get a pipette, which you would use to pipette the urine out of the cup, and then you place it into another secure sample tube thing.
Keep it contained.
Keep it contained.
Don't want your pee going everywhere.
Yeah, and then you screw the top on, and again you would just write in your details on there. Yeah. And then should we talk about the vaginal swab now?
Yeah. So this is for the vaginal swab. Swab. Okay. So once again, you've got a separate tube, so don't get the tubes mixed up. And then you've got the orange swab. So like another massive cotton bud, in which in this situation I will be heading off to the toilets because you don't really want to see this.
No. But what you do is you would place this, you'd hold it with your fingers on the black line in the middle. I don't know if you can see that there. So that it doesn't go too far up, and you would just place it inside the vagina, and you have to move it around the vagina, the wall of the vagina, for about 20 to 30 seconds to make sure you've got enough of a sample for it to be valid. So Henny's going to go do that now in the bathroom for us.
And then I'll snap it off and put it back in here.
Yeah, awesome.
So be back in a bit. Oh gosh, oh my god, I just knocked everything off.
Okay. So Henny's back with her vaginal sample. Just to clarify, the oral and the vaginal swab test for bacterial STIs, so that's chlamydia and gonorrhea, and the urine sample for the male testing kit does the same, whereas the blood sample, which we're about to do now, tests for viral diseases, so that's HIV and syphilis. So this is the bit that I think most people dread because they think it's going to be painful, but it's not. It's really not.
It's not painful.
It's not painful.
It's not. It's just having to do it. It's easier if someone else like pricks it. But it's not.
We
So
can maybe
both.
do,
Yeah, we
we
can
could
both.
do each other's maybe.
Yeah, just do it.
For the blood sample, you get given 3 of these. Oh, where's the camera? These little like, I don't even know what to call them.
Prick things.
Little prick things, basically. They recommend washing your hands first, so that they're clean, but also the heat of the hot water can help your blood like rise to the surface, so it's easier to get a blood sample. So just gonna warm my hands up. Oh, it's called a Lancet, apparently, according to the booklet. It's called a Lancet, and you get given little alcohol pads like this, so you can clean your finger and make sure that you're not gonna get infected.
Yeah, make sure your hands are clean. Plasters as well for afterwards.
Okay.
Right.
Will you do mine?
Do you do yours? Oh, I don't like this pressure.
It's okay. You
Do you just push it down for
Yeah,
you?
just do it.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Did that work?
No, it didn't work.
It's okay. Sorry.
This is why they give you 3.
Wait, did we do that the wrong way? Do you not?
That way we would go wrong. You have to twist the purple stick so that it comes out. So now the purple stick is like away from the Lancet.
Oh, okay.
So now it will happen.
Take 3.
Take 3.
God, I'm scared now.
Just do it. There, see? And that was not painful at all. Oh, look, see? Blood.
Oh, do you want me to open your thing for you?
Yes, please.
Got it.
So if you don't like blood, look away now.
Yeah. There's lots of little funny bits with this.
So you have these stickers. Is that, will it focus? There we go. Urine. Oh, it's not focusing. Urine, vaginal, rectal, oral, blood. So depending on the samples that you've taken, the samples that you've requested to take,
I don't know if you can see.
yeah, you would
Stuck it on there.
You'd stick them on.
and just the name and date.
So we've got our samples.
Finishing mine off, so I'm just going to open this. Ooh. As shown. Slot these in. 1, 2, 3. Make sure the lids are done up as well properly, because that would not be fun. I've done something wrong here.
That's sticky, isn't it? Let's just seal it like this. Oh, let's just do a makeshift one. There we go. As long as it's sealed, that's the main thing. Sealed.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that make me. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex. A little bit, baby. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex.
With the stickers on the tubes, because I forgot to do that just earlier, which was really silly. You place it in your pre-post envelope.
And you're not the one originally you were given, you get given another one with it.
Yeah.
Closing. So no one can get into this until needed.
Yeah.
Woo!
Okay.
Should we go post? We're going to go post
We're gonna
anyway.
post it.
Just so you believe that we're actually posting them.
Yes.
Off it goes.
Posting our STI kits.
And also you'll get results in 2 weeks' time by text. So, you know, easy does.
Easy does. Okay, so we've just posted our STI tests. That's done. And we're going to talk to you. The reason we did this today is because we're going to be having umbrella sexual health services coming into the guild now regularly every single month. There's no excuse to not get tested if you're worried about you don't know how to order online, or you don't have the time to go into the town and wait at a drop-in clinic, or maybe your GP doesn't offer that service, like mine doesn't, which I think is really silly because I live in a student area. They should offer contraceptive services, but they don't. And there's no excuse, because we're going to have every month, third Wednesday of every month, STI drop-in. You can come and pick up a kit. You can do it quickly in the toilet in the guild and post your sample the same day.
So Wednesday 24th, 12 till 3, main reception area, that's where you'll find umbrella.
Cool. Thanks so much
Yeah,
for
thanks for
watching. Do our STI tests.
Yes.
Hopefully we've been able to combat a bit of the stigma around them. We've taken STI tests. You can as well. There's nothing weird about it. It's
just
sensible.
normal.
Yeah. what you should do as a responsible adult. So
Cool.
thank you.
Thanks.